How to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. The first step is to open the Instagram on your device. Now tap on the chat icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then open up a conversation where you want to turn off the vanish mode. As you can see, the vanish mode is turned on here. So now to turn this off, you want to tap on the account name of that user, and here tap on privacy and safety. Here you can find the first option, which is vanish mode. The messages will disappear when you close the chat in this mode. So if you want to turn this off, simply toggle this button. So once you have toggled off this button, the vanish mode should turned off like this. Now another way on how you can do that, now this is a quick and simple way. So just swipe up, and once you swipe up, the vanish mode will be turned off. Now you can turn on the vanish mode by doing the same thing, just swipe up. So this is the easiest way on how you can turn off the vanish mode, and that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.